his wife, and I find a post that Danny died August 14th.
Hala!
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Malapit nang mag-12 and umalis si Tami. Kanina lang siyang umalis, as in maaga siyang umalis kasi meron daw siyang asikasuhin sa bahay, doon sa isang bahay. Hold on guys ha. Nag-ano lang ako ng dipping sauce para sa paa ng manok. Kasi meron pa tayong natira paa ng manok. Well, 11:30 pa. So, maaga pa. And meron tayong yung sinabawan ko. Kakainin natin yan. Gusto kong magluto ulit ng ganyan. And ang nakaano dun is yung talagang tawag nito guys. Yung ano ba, yung malunggay. Ang sarap talaga malunggay kapag malunggay yung isabaw mo. I-ano mo sa ay, ang daming nakapasok na ano, yung maliit na bag since ano, andito si si Lloydie, yung pumunta si Lloydie dito. Nag-ano kasi kami ng suka, yung dipping sauce. Sana mawala ito kasi annoying talaga. And andito si Biyenan mamaya guys, ihatid siya ng, iwan ko kung sino yung maghatid. I think yung anak niyang babae yung maghatid dito sa bahay. I think. And 1 o'clock daw, ihatid dito. Kakain lang ako. Tayo yon, inano na tong suka o dinadayo na naman. And chicken feet. Yun. Sarap niyan guys. Ito na lang yung natira na inano kasi namin ni in-split ko kay Lloydie at saka sa akin. So, yan siya. Si Lloydie nagustuhan naman. Anyway guys, I will see you later. Baka, mamaya na tayo magkita-kita. Andito si Biyenan. Tingnan natin kung anong mood ni Biyenan. Alam nyo naman, sabi ko sa inyo, diba? She's here, guys. Come here. Get in here. Be nice, ha? Be nice, okay? Roxy, Missy. Listen. Roxy, you don't listen. Bad girl, no. No. Stay down. You guys not listening. Where is the cellophane? You don't listen.
I know. Down. 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 No. Down. No. Down. Down. Stay down there.
Roxy, listen. You listen. Mister.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
You go eat your breakfast over there. Let grandma eat. You don't touch your breakfast. Good morning. Today is Saturday. Punta kami sa ano, puntahan na ni Biyenan. Pero hindi ko sabihin kung saan kasi baka sabihin niya na ayaw niyang pumunta. Nakikinig lang din kami ng ano, Christian song sa YouTube, sa TV. Look. And then, Dunmuin song. So, yan. Tapos na rin akong kumain. Ano lang yung pinakain ko sa kanya? Dalawang itlog at tinapay. And then, maligo ako. And then, alis kami. She's still staring at you. Huh? She's still staring at you.
Yeah.
Crazy dog. Anyway guys, kita-kits tayo mamaya. Maligo lang ako guys. Kasi hindi ko pa nalabhan. Ano yan, yung another comforter. Yan, nilagay ko dito yung bed. Blanket ng aso. Kasi, alam nyo na. And ito yung nilagay ko sa bed guys. Kakaibang ano. Ito siya. Maganda naman siya guys. Ito siya. Yung burgundy na comforter. Maganda siya. Ihatid ko si Biyenan sa dialysis. Ay, hindi ko sabihin na. Ayaw kong sabihin na ihatid ko siya sa dialysis. Kasi, magano yan guys. Sinabi na nga niya kanina na masakit daw yung likod niya. And then, yun yung rason. Magbigay yun ng rason. Para hindi makapunta sa dialysis. Hindi ko sabihin ko lang na aalis kami. Kasi ayaw kong magka-trouble kasi, ano, iba kasi yan. Ayaw ko din yung sabihin niya na ayaw talaga niya. And then ano pa kami. And then ako yung mapagalitan. Kasi, ano, hindi ko dinala. But anyway, maliligo lang ako and I will be right back. Doon tapos na siyang kumain. Tapos ko na siyang binihisan. And then linis. Ganon. Hello. Get ready with me, guys. Samahan niyo ako. Mag-ready lang tayo. Maglagay lang ako ng konting, makeup. Ready lang ako and then I have to change. Ano pa naman yung oras? Hindi pa naman talaga kami. Pinabayaan ko lang si Biyenan matulog. 9:20 na. Kasi maaga ko siyang ginising, diba? Mga 7 ginising ko na siya. And then, yun, nag-bathroom siya. And yun, pinabayaan. Natulog siya sa living room. Binigyan ko ng blanket kasi may naginawan. So, I'm going to edit a video. Tignan natin kung tulog pa ba si Biyenan. Down. Okay, get down. Dami cold. Guys, tignan nyo si Roxy, guys. Misty din. Get down. Get down. Get down, Misty. Misty down. Nag-i-edit ako dito. Tignan nyo. Binaano ako dito ni Misty at Roxy. Iwan ko kung anong gusto nila. Palabasin ko muna sila kasi malapit na kaming umalis. Aalis din. Aalis kami. Misty, what are you doing? I'm gonna cover Roxy's ass. Hindi ko naman yan hinawakan, guys. May ikog kasi yung tail niya dyan. Okay, let's cover your ass. I love him. Let's cover your ass, love. I love you, baby. Hi, Mitch. Tusoy. What do you want, baby? What my baby want? What my baby want? Mamas will be right back. I know. Mama will be right back, love. If I sit down, I'm working. I'm editing a video. Okay, guys, we are ready to go. Okay, my music. It's cold, right? You feel the cold?
Yeah,
It's chilly. Okay, see you later. I just said see you later.
yeah.
I see them later.
You see them later.
Yeah, let me see if I have my wallet here. Whoa, Danny?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. I try calling him because I call him every month or two to see how he's doing.
Yeah?
I call him up and Danny loves the phone, so he always answers. So I got no answer. I figured, all right, so maybe he's a doctor appointment or something. I went to voicemail and says voicemail phone. That's weird. So I text him, call me when he gets a message. He never respond back.
Yeah.
So I call him again and it still voicemail. So I figured, let me look up, see if I can find his wife's phone number on the internet. I look up his wife and I find a post that Danny died August 14th.
Hala? Really?
Yeah, I don't understand why she didn't call me and let me know. I called Rich, he's not here, he went to the funeral. He said, Maureen called him. Well, because he said he assumed that she would call me, because I was more in contact with Danny than he was, so he figured she would call me first. She never called me.
That sucks.
And his cousin Mike Arrigo never called me either.
Your cousin, Mike Arrigo, is cousin with him?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really sad.
I mean, I feel bad because I didn't even like it.
I know, he's a good guy. And I see he texts you like he just wanna check up on you or something.
Yeah, and I always check him on him, every month also, so.
Wow, han. That's August, han?
Yeah, August.
How many months ago? 2 months ago?
Yeah.
That's really sad, han.
Yeah. I mean, I feel bad. I would have went to the funeral or something.
I know. I'm on the way home. Where are you now?
Tonight.
You're in Manhattan?
Yep.
3:15.
Okay.
Kanina pa ako dito. So, ngayon, kukunin ko na si Biyenan. Kasi it's 2:25 na and ang labas niya sa eskwela, ang labas niya sa dialysis is, 3 o'clock or 3:15. Depende na yan sa depende kung hindi siya nagdudugo. Kasi paminsan, most of the time talaga, si Biyenan is duguin. Yung parang, pag tinanggal na nila yung mga abobot sa kamay, sa arm niya, is talaga, magdudugo-dugo. Hey guys, she's out. So she said it's quick day, right? You said it's a quick hour.
Yeah.
It's the same hours, just she got in this morning, like 12 o'clock. No, morning, it's 12 o'clock. But it's like 3 hours dialysis. I don't know why they give you 3 hours only. Your seat belt, mom. Give me your seat belt.
What?
Seat belt.
Oh. Where's this one?
It's in the side, the back side. Okay guys, we're going home guys. That she can eat lunch. You're gonna have lunch.
We're gonna have lunch.
I ate already. Are you kidding me? It's 3:30.
Are you?
But you're gonna have late lunch. Hey, the two of you. You just keep jumping here. What are you doing over there, little boy? You're gonna have this. Okay, here's your sandwich.
What?
Here. What are you looking?
I'm looking at like this.
The snowflake?
Yeah. This is good.
There's here, right here.
Oh, pretty.
There's the angel. Yeah, the little one lit too. Do you remember that angel?
Hmm?
Do you remember that angel over there?
That angel?
The angel over there moving.
Yeah,
No,
that
not that. No, the other one, the bigger one. It's moving.
That one.
You know, from New Rochelle house with your husband.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't.
That Christmas tree that's the Christmas tree that we use all the time. And you guys use all the time too with your kids. When eat your lunch. So you like the Christmas tree?
The Christmas tree looks very pretty.
Let's see if you remember this. Okay? Ito guys, ito. Let's see if you remember this.
I've been looking at this little guy, but I don't remember him. Oh, cute.
You forgot? It's dancing. Yeah. Remember Isabel dancing with this? Your daughter, Isabel. She danced with this one. She danced like this. Nakalimutan na niya to, sa kanya to lahat. Ito, sa kanya to lahat. Pati ito. Diba, Dimps? Diba, Dimps? Hello, ay, somebody's hungry. Are you hungry, boy? Adoy, my hungry baby, bagbag. Okay, get down na, get down. Guys, maagang natulog si Biyenan. 7:30 na ngayon. Pinakain ko siya maaga. Pinakain ko siya ng maaga. Ngayon, ako na naman kakain. Nagutom. Hindi sana ako kakain, pero nabisi ako sa kaka-edit ng video. So, I've been editing the video. Andun siya dito na bedroom. Yung ulam ko is yung chicken paksiw. Yung paksiw natin, and meron tayong suka, sili, yun, sikwate. Anyway guys, kakain lang ako guys.
next morning.
Good morning, guys. Pinaano ko siya ng oxygen kasi nahirapang huminga. Look, tignan nyo yung dalawang pusa. Na-curious yung dalawa. Na-curious. Tignan nyo. Yan, oxygen. Ito yung oxygen niya. I have to put that. I have to hold the salt. Is it moving too much?
We have a slight shower chance on Tuesday, some light rain possible also on Halloween, so remember that day. Oh!
Yeah. I just, yeah, that's fine.
His rescue might not have happened without a major assist from technology. CBS 2 just in a late report.
Hirapan ko niya. Good morning. Today is Sunday, guys. Ay, guys. Alam niyo, takot akong andito siya sa akin. Lalo't ganito na yung sitwasyon. Iwan ko, guys, hindi ko maiwasang matakot. Kasi ayaw kong may mangyaring masama sa kamayan na andito sa ano ko. Iwan ko, parang tinatry kong i-avoid, kaya palagi ko siyang sinicheck up. Kagabi din, tinitignan ko siya. Kasi baka kung anong mangyari, sinicheck up ko siya in the middle of the night. Kaya yung parang hindi ko maiwasang mag-alala. Na baka anong mangyari. And then, ilang nyo na, nandito tayo sa ibang bansa, wala tayong family. And tayo yung nag-alaga sa ina nila. And basta ina-avoid ko lang ng basta. Yun, alam nyo na yun. Anyway, guys, good morning. Sunday ngayon, so kukunin siya ng kapatid ni Tami. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras, pero kukunin siya.